Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we've got some Bella San Luce bruschetta spread. It's a dried, sun-dried tomato. We have Lay's crispy taco flavor with the famous soccer/football player Messi. And we have Sun Chips Minis. Hey, Mike Foster here. Check it out. This is an episode of Mike Tries. I'm going to try these 3 products, let you know what I think of them, and let you know if you should go out and try to buy them yourself and eat them. I'm saving you the problem. All right, let's start with that bruschetta and get going. Here's a piece of toasted bread. We're going to put a little olive oil on there. And here's the Bella San Luce bruschetta. They're famous for their sun-dried tomatoes. This is made with sun-dried tomatoes and tomatoes, so let's put a little of that on there. Oh yeah, oh my goodness. Here's the bruschetta. How's that look? Let's try it. The tomatoes are rich. A rich, delicious tomatoey taste. Very, very good. Here it is right there. I'm going to give this in the 8s. Very good. A new product from Lay's, crispy taco. Let's try this one. Let me cleanse my palate because I just had the bruschetta. A little ice water. I don't drink alcohol anymore. He doesn't drink any less either, no. I've been on the wagon for a long time, and I'm very happy about that. So hopefully you folks can, if you have any questions about that, let me know. Let's try these chips. Messi. I tell you, those aren't very good. They're not good at all. They just don't have a very good taste at all. I give this a 0 to 2.5. Lay's, you do well, but not this time. Thumbs down. Lemon water. I give this a 10. Now these are the Sun Chip Minis. Now, I've had the regular Sun Chips, but let's see what the Minis look like. Here, we'll get in there. Put some in my hand. All they are is Sun Chips that are smaller. So let's try them. This is garden salsa. I like it, so you don't have to eat the big ones. If you just want a little small snack, you can eat the whole can and then it doesn't do any good. I say get the minis. I know Doritos does these too, so does Cheetos. That's the new way to go. I give this a 7. There's your Mike Tries. My favorite, Bella San Luce, this bruschetta. 2 thumbs up. Check out my other videos at Live Life 365 and on my socials. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
That's what the thing is.